Hello, hello, hello. Nothing to eat, just fur home from Nali Kitchen, okay? Yesterday I ate the big noodle. Today I gonna eat some small noodle. Wow. Anyway, you make pho. I have to eat pho, right? Easy eat only noodle soup. But wow, you know the weather outside. Oh, you don't want to get out from home. So cold. Guy, come enjoy with me. It's best homemade pho. The best. See it? Woohoo, yummy. This is noodle soup. Pho. I want you guys to come enjoy with me, okay? This is homemade pho, always the best. I have bean sprout, lamb, chili, and shrimp paste. And this one pork bun, barbecue pork bun. And the vegetable I have today. You guys come enjoy with me, okay? Oh, my pho, I like to use the onion and black pepper. Look at that. Today I'm not gonna put the chili in here. I'm gonna eat like with the green Thai chili. Okay. Oh my god, look. And I put bean sprout. But I gotta break a little bit. That's my way. Okay. Lamb. I'm gonna dip with the meatball. I like to clean all my vegetable. I like to eat everything clean. I don't like to eat the okay, cut them off and eat. I don't like it that way. Let me cover this because I don't want this to cold. Okay, I just done steamer. Okay. Okay, my dear fan, and come eat with me. Okay, enjoy with me. I like to eat in here. First bite, okay? Come over. Spicy. Sometimes I know it's really spicy, but I love it. I enjoy with the spicy because I know my ear, my tongue, but it's good when you eat spicy, and you feel good too. I don't know. I love spicy. Even I cannot eat that much, but I still like to eat spicy. Whoever fan with my sister Pooh, I just let you know because she's busy with her grandkid and I don't want to bother her too much, okay? Just let you know. But if I have chance, I gotta bugging her again. The first soup, I boiled the beef and put all the ingredients. I done that before. I have the video for that. If you wanna follow, you're looking for the homemade pho soup. Okay, I make 2 or 3 already, but if you want me to do, and I can do again, chicken pho soup, okay? What? If you go eat restaurant, they don't have this kind of stuff for you. Feel good, everybody. Have you seen the weather outside? I don't feel to go anywhere. Cold. Chili. Lao people, they eat pho, they eat noodle soup, they need a lot of vegetable. But for a young age, no, see my boy, because they don't like to eat any vegetable with that. They just want only soup. But for me, a lot of vegetable is more better. If I go see my mom in Bay Area, see my sister, my brother in there, I shop over there. They have a lot of vegetable. Spicy, but it's good. Good. So good. Good. แซ่บหลายลาว they call แซ่บหลาย English very good, very yummy. Oh, very very good. I like homemade pho a lot. I love meatball, fish meatball, good. Oh my god เผ็ด แซ่บแซ่บพี่น้องไม่กับกินเท่าไรก็บ่อยากเศร้า spicy but it's good พวกบันทาม you might say okay you make by yourself well yeah I do before I make by my own it's good too you know and since I have a problem with my shoulder I cannot make a dough if I look like I make ข้าวเปียกเส้น or something like that I let my son make a dough for me but maybe next time I gonna let my son make a dough and I can show you how to make a pork bun it's good but you know this one it's very cheaper to at the store that I don't have to make good I don't like that meat inside too much good ต้องคุ้มนี่แหละ put in the hole ดูดูปุ๊บ because I eat so much ซอยเรือก็ได้เนาะคนกินหลาย this vegetable I save for next time ก็มันแซ่บพี่น้องเอ้ย everything's really good happy lunch that's all for my lunch today please follow Nali Kitchen like and subscribe for me see you next video have a good day guys have good Sunday bye bye bye